Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. Gold hits a record high. My dear friends, gold is finally trading above 2700 and comfortably trading above 2700. We have been discussing about this breakout for a long time, and finally we can see that gold is still bullish. There is no sign of trend reversal yet. Many of you are still wondering why gold is so bullish, as we have already discussed in our previous videos also, that geopolitical things are very unstable right now. And for a trend reversal, we need a big fundamental reason we don't have yet. Maybe the next NFP CPI will bring some trend reversal on the chart of gold, but at this moment, we don't have any fundamental reason. So there cannot be a trend reversal. If any big drop comes also, that will just be a technical correction. After the technical correction, gold will continue the upside again. For example, during the US session today, if you see that there is a sudden drop on gold, gold is forming big candles. It doesn't mean that it's a trend reversal. No, it will just be a correction. Maybe next week market will slowly again market go up again. Okay, so you need to understand the difference between trend reversal and correction. And for a trend reversal, we need a fundamental reason we don't have yet. Okay, and geopolitically things are very unstable right now. We have already discussed, you must be knowing that the world is not at peace. Okay, so and whenever there's a crisis in the world, gold is always bullish, and we cannot deny it. So if you have any ongoing buy on gold, if you're a positional trader, if you have been holding gold, then you need to continue with a buy position because sky is the limit. Nobody knows where gold is heading right now. From where gold will reverse, nobody knows. If you're a swing trader and holding a buy on gold, continue because still there is no sign of trend reversal. Gold, there's a high chance that gold will head towards 2750 2800. Until unless a big news comes out, the uptrend will continue. Maybe at one point market will get sideways, but uptrend will continue. And if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to be on buy position only because in this market condition, taking a sell is suicidal. And I have already told you guys in my previous videos also that this is not a day trader's chart because as a day trader, if you try to go for 30-40 pips, if you try to scalp in this market, then you will be missing a huge chunk of profit. See, we are traders, we need to be flexible according to the market condition. Whenever you'll get a trending market like this, try to follow the trend of the market. Okay, whenever market will be sideways, market directionless, then we can look for 30-40 pips. Okay, so if you have any buy, continue. If you're looking for fresh position in the market, then buy at dip or buy at retracement is the best trading strategy. Today is Friday, my dear friends, Friday. Be careful. For the last couple of weeks, we have seen that Fridays are dangerous. So do not fry your account, especially during the US session also. We don't have any major news. So if you see some unexpected movements in the market, just stop trading, secure your profits. That's it. Whenever you'll see some unreasonable moves in the market, you should stop trading because market will give you plenty of trading opportunities to make money when the market is normal. So you don't need to trade on each and every session. Clear? We are traders, not gamblers. Never forget, we work hard to earn money. So do not blow your hard-earned money in just few seconds. Okay, so if market gets crazy during the US session without any news, then please stop trading for the day. Okay, and wait for the weekly closing. Tomorrow I'll upload again video. Okay, and then we will understand where are the trading opportunities for the coming week. So do not fry your account. Okay, and those who are looking for fresh position in the market, then obviously buy at dip or buy at retracement is the best trading strategy. Where we can look for buy at retracement, we can look for buy at retracement around 2702 to 2700. This is a level where we can look for support. This is the previous resistance that will be working as support right now. And moreover, my dear friends, if we draw our beloved FIBO here, we can see we have additional support from FIBO as well. You can see here around this particular area 2702 we have FIBO. Okay, then around 2700 also we have FIBO. If we change the starting point here, okay, so you can see that we have support buyers around 2700, 2702 area. During the day, if you see market is coming down with small candles, definitely we can look for buy at retracement or support. In case market surprises us, then we can look for buy around 2696. And if market acts totally crazy because it's Friday, okay, then obviously, okay, just avoid trading, because already market has given us good amount of moves in the last couple of weeks. We can easily skip one day. And if market doesn't come for retracement, okay, if market doesn't come for retracement, then we can look for a buy at breakout above 2713 area. Um, Again, I'm repeating, my dear friends, as I always do, that buying at retracement is safer in comparison to buy at breakouts, because in during breakouts, okay, there is also a possibility of a false breakout. So if you get a buy at retracement chance, then go for it. Avoid this. But if market doesn't come for retracement, then obviously we cannot help it. In that case, we can look for a buy above 2713 as well. Okay, and if market surprises with heavy selling pressure, if you want to go for a sell, that's your personal choice. But see, I prefer to follow the trend of the market. So whenever there's a dip in the market, also a correction also, I always prefer to go for a better price, okay, instead of trading on both the sides of the market. Okay, I'm a peaceful person. I love peace. Okay, so as long as the market is bullish, okay, try to be on buy side only, because we have been following the trend of the market from 2300, 2400, and so far we are doing well. Okay, so if you love peace, try to follow the trend. Okay, nothing much to discuss right now. Okay, because this is a trending market, trading opportunities are little low right now. So if you get gold around 2696, 2700 area, look for a buy. If you have any buy, continue. And if market doesn't come for retracement, go for a breakout. Okay, but be careful, follow proper risk management. And if you're stuck on a sell, because in the morning I received 2-3 screenshots where people have shared their positions. Oh, I was shocked. People have been holding sell positions since 2300, 2400. So if you're stuck on a sell, then I have nothing to say, because market has given enough opportunities to exit. Okay, if you still have not exited, then okay, it's high time to exit, because if you do not exit, then obviously at one point you will blow your capital. See, before making any mistakes like this, always think about your family first. Okay, I personally always believe that family is the biggest stop loss. Okay, so whenever you'll find it difficult to follow discipline, or whenever you have the gambler mentality or gambling urge, okay, always look at the family photo. Okay, it is the biggest stop loss. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Best of luck, all the best. Love you guys. Wait for the weekly closing. Do not gamble. Bye.